Hello guys, today in this video I will demonstrate or inform you how you can resolve these errors like fail to push some refs to GitHub, or this is a different error, nothing to add to commit but unchecked file present. So the first error says that you have something to pull from the GitHub and you are trying to push new changes rather than pulling the change. So here you can see I was doing the same here, mistake here. This is basically the new Git repository, and in this you can see these are the updated files just before 30 minutes or 30 minutes ago, but this file you can see readme.md is created or 3 days ago. So when I was pushing my changes, then it was not allowing me to push because it was because of this error. Okay, and actually the main reason was that I had not pulled this readme.md file in my local, so that was the main reason. So what I did here, you can see in VS Code, I first do the git pull. That means I executed this command, okay, and just a minute. Okay, so here is the command. So I did first this command, I executed this command git pull origin master, but in the also make sure that if you are using it on GitHub, then you must need to pull it not from the master initially, pull it from the main, because when I was having here the master, I am also having here the main branch. So earlier the main branch was the default branch, then I changed it to the master, and then I pulled or did the pull request from master. Okay, and then it here you can see in the readme.md file is present here in my local now. And then after doing that, I was doing one more mistake, that I was doing like this git. So you can see these are my commands. So I was doing like this git add -a. So this was giving me a different error, and that error was, you can see here, your branch is up to date with the master and these are the untracked files. And you can see here this is a different error, nothing to add to commit but untracked files present. So the main thing, or the little difference, or the very small difference, was just here I need to add caps a with add, like this git add -caps a, or we can also do here this one git add dot. This will add all the files into the local commit. So to commit, it will add all the file to commit in the local. But here is another one problem, that it also added the node modules. So you can see here all these files are in the node modules which had been added earlier. So what I did, I first removed the all locally added file. That means I also removed the node modules files which were added in the local repository. So after removing it from the local, I add or install the git ignore. So you can see here I have here installed this git ignore. So how I did this, let me show it again to you. I just here I go to extensions in the marketplace, and here I type git ignore, and this one is the first file, git ignore, and I installed it. And once I installed it, then I did this, or press this keyword control shift p. Okay, then it opened this, and then here I will click on add git ignore, and here these are the like template, git ignore template. But and here I selected here node.js git ignore template, because this is a node.js project. So here you can see this, I added this file. Let me show you. I have already added, but I am going to show you here. Yes, this one node.gitignore. When I clicked on this then what it did, you can see it is now asking me to append or override, because I already have the file. But when I was not having any git ignore file, then it added here, you can see. And here you can find all the codes are written, like these are the pre like these are the templates which for generated for the Node.js project, because all these what need not to push to Git, and all those files are here present to ignore. So you can see here build release is also here, and this folder will be added when I will create any release. And here you can see .npm es lint cache, and here you can also see that node modules will be here. You can see, just a minute, okay, here you can also see dist file, and because dist file is for generating the JavaScript code, and I do not want to push that JS code in the GitHub, because I am working with the TypeScript here. So I only want to put my code TypeScript code at GitHub. And here you can see these are the dependency directories, node modules. I have ignored this module, this folder, that means it will not be tracked or uploaded or added to the Git. And so after doing that, I did git add, and then here you can see I executed this command git pull from origin, and then I use this one and tracked files, and then to removing the locally added file I used this git reset mixed, and then I again did this add, okay, with caps A, and then I did, okay, just a minute, I did this one, yes, git commit first, then it committed the change locally, then I not git commit, this one git commit -m, this was the first commit locally, and then I did this git push origin master. And once I will click on this, let me do it again, and then you can see here there everything is up to date, because I have just committed at the GitHub, and you can see here this is the last commit data, okay, this is the repository URL, and you can see it did not ask me for the credential. But when you will do this for the first time, then it will ask the credential or the GitHub credential, and you have to enter that credential, and then you then the all file will be like uploaded or pushed to the GitHub like this. You can see now, you can see all files are here, okay, you can see here these are the files on which I am working on right now, okay. So in this, that is all, guys. And if you face any error related to this in the GitHub, then please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. So that's all in this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.